everyone, hey everyone, it is Miss O'Neill here, and today is a good day to have a good day. We are almost at the end of our chapter on subtraction here, okay? We have today's lesson, we have tomorrow's lesson, and then on Friday, we're going to have a quick little math quiz, okay? We are all going to be totally fine on this quick little math quiz. I'm not worried about it at all, and neither should you. So today in math, we're going to be learning about a way that we can check to make sure that our subtraction problems are correct. And the way that we're going to check to make sure they're right is by using addition. Can you believe it? I know it sounds a little bit crazy, but by the end of the lesson, we are all going to be experts here. So we're going to do the first problem, even though it's already traced out for us, we're going to do it together. So the first thing that we have to do is we need to subtract, okay? We have to focus on this problem first. So when we subtract, the first thing that we have to ask ourselves is by looking at the ones column, do we need to regroup? So I have 7 minus 8. Can I take away 8 from 7? No, I can't. So what I have to do is I need to regroup. I'm going to get a different color here to make it a little bit easier to see. I'm not going to have 8 tens anymore in that first number. I'm crossing it out and putting a 7. I'm taking away 1 10. And I'm crossing out the 7 over here because I'm bringing that 10 to the ones column. That's why I have 17 and not 7 anymore. So now we have to solve. 17 minus 8 equals 9, as we can see. And 7 minus 6 equals 1. Awesome. But now we want to go back and double check to make sure that our work is right. So if we did our double-digit subtraction correctly, the biggest number in our problem here is going to be the answer to our addition problem. What is the biggest number in question number 1? Is it 87, 68, or 19? Wonderful. You remember that the biggest number is always up at the top in a subtraction problem. So that's why there's an arrow coming up from here. If our answer to our addition problem is right, then 87 is going to be our answer. So let's go ahead and put in 19 and 68. 9 plus 8 equals 17. But 17 I need to regroup, so I'm going to put the 7 from the ones column down in the ones place, and then I'm going to bring that 1 from the tens place in 17 up here. Now I need to add these 3 numbers together to get my answer for the tens column. 6 plus 1 equals 7, and 7 plus 1 equals 8. So if we did our subtraction and our addition correctly, we're going to get the same number as our sum, our answer for our addition problem down here, and the number up top, that's going to match. Does it match? 87? 87. Yes, it does. Awesome. So now we know how to subtract correctly. No, we already knew how to subtract correctly. We know how to check our subtraction correctly. So the first thing we do is subtract. The second thing that we do is add to check. Okay? Let's go ahead and do the next problem together. So I have 95 minus 10. Subtracting, I need to ask myself, do I need to regroup? Do I have to regroup 5 minus 0? No. 5 minus 0, I don't have to regroup. 5 minus 0 equals, wonderful, 5. And 9 minus 1 equals 8. Amazing job. Okay, so what is my biggest number here? Is it 95? Is it 10? Or is it 85? Nice, it's 95. So if I did this problem correctly, 95 is going to be my answer down here. Let's see. So I can't use 95. I can only use 10 and 85. So I'm going to put in 10 and 85. All right, gonna switch colors. Let's do purple. All right, 5 plus 0, 0 plus 5 is what? 5. Wonderful. 5 down there, and 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Wonderful. So now let's see, did we do it correctly? Is my answer for my addition problem, the sum, the same up here? Nice, they're both 95, so yes, I did it correctly. Awesome. Let's do one more together just to make sure that we got this, okay? We are doing number 3, 75 minus 58. First thing we have to do is subtract. Do I need to regroup? 5 minus 8. Can I take away 8 from 5? No, definitely not. So I need to regroup. Cross out my 7, because it's not 7 anymore. I'm taking 1 10 away. 7 minus 1 is 6. I'm crossing out my 5, because this isn't 5 ones anymore. It is 15. Okay. 15 minus 8 equals, a little tricky, it's 7. 15 minus 8 equals 7. And now I go over to the tens column. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Awesome. So now, if our subtraction problem is correct, it will be the sum, the answer to our addition problem over here. All right, 75. That's what we're looking for over here. 58 and 17 are the other two numbers, so they're going to be my, what I'm going to be adding by over here. So 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. I need to regroup that, so I'm putting the 5 down here. I'm bringing the 1 up here. And now I have to add 1 plus 5 plus 1. What's 5 plus 1? Awesome, 6. And then 6 plus 1 equals 7. Wonderful. And my answer is 75. 75 and 75, it matches. So I must be correct. Awesome, wonderful job. I know this probably was a little bit tricky, but we have our rules and our steps to subtracting over here, so we are all good. I know that we are smart 7th grade kids, and we got this. Awesome. All right, cool beans. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Make sure that when you are done with this paper, you have your grown-up at home send me a picture so I can see your beautiful work, okay? I love you a lot. I miss you a bunch, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.